guys, so this is going to be a reply to somebody who asked me on one of my videos, how do you build a bird's nest. So I'm going to show you how I do it, or how I like it. So I've got some grass here. I'm going to do one for a charcloth and then one if you didn't have charcloth. So this one's going to be for charcloth. I've got some maiden grass that we picked from the side of the house, and the way I like to do it is I like to have medium and the small stuff in the middle, and I like it very dry, and then I like the big thick parts. I like to get about 2 long ones, the stalks, just so I have something to keep it up, because sometimes I've had really loose or just ones that didn't stick up and they'd fall over. Then I had to hold up here, and I didn't like that, so I like them to where they're strong and I don't have to hold it. So this one's kind of long, but it'll work. Maybe I can hold it again. Yeah. There. So it kind of looks like a bird's nest, and that's where the name came from. So it's got some dry stuff in there, even though it's green. So I'll light this one up in a sec. Or do you want me to do it now? Okay, I'll use outside. So I'm going to put that down, and I'm going to show you the one if you didn't have charcloth. So for this one, I got my big stalks, and then I have some smaller dead grass. So then I have that, and then I like really fine stuff. So I've got some finer grass. It's green, but the green stuff, if you get it lit, it will keep an ember a little bit longer than the more dead stuff. You just gotta blow on it. So I'm gonna get the dead stuff and ruffle it up like a cotton ball. And then shove it in there. Play around with it for the way I want it to be. And then usually you get the smallest stuff that falls out. I'll put that in there. Okay, so now I'll light them up. I'll do this one first. Okay, so I'm out here in the driveway. You might hear some cars, but I'm not going to really even be talking, so don't mind them. Got the one without the charcloth and the one with the charcloth. I'm going to get up to put it out, so if I move fast, then that's just what happens. But I stuffed this with this fine grass that was out here, because I cut the grass a couple days ago, and it just rained, so now it's dead. But it's something small that will spark up easy. There we go.
Trying to burn up my truck. Okay, I think that one's out.
Okay, so now for the charcoal. That's just extra.
Charcloth's your favorite, isn't it?
Yeah. Keep it higher than your head, so then the smoke don't get up in your face, if you can. And I tied a little piece right there, just so I could keep it together. See if it still burns.
Are you playing? Okay, see if you can get it to start again. It's still got something in it. Now it's wet. Pick it up.
That's why I didn't pick it up.
It'll light.
No, I messed with it too much. I think I got it. Okay, so that was the bird's nest video that somebody asked me to do. If there's any other videos you'd like to see me do, just write them below. So thank you for your views and your comments, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.